Hi Year 2 and happy Christmas Jumper Day! It's the best day of the year. I hope you've all got your Christmas jumpers on, even though that we can't be in school. I even went all out and I've got Rudolph trousers on. So I'm nice and Christmassy, ready for our last day of online learning. So you've been recognising those coins and notes amazingly. So I've got my little Santa here, and when he points at the coin or note, I want you to shout out at me in a nice loud Christmassy voice how much it's worth and whether it is pounds or pence. Let's go. Okay, are you ready? When Santa points at the coin or note, I want you to shout out how much it's worth and whether it's pounds or pence. Let's go. First one. 50 pence. 5 pence. 10 pounds. Oh, pause. With real money, would a 50p be bigger than a £10 note? No, we know this is just Miss Wilson's big money so you can see it. Okay, let's keep going. £2. 10 pence. 20 pence. Teeny tiny 1 pence. 2 pence. £20, the biggest note. Back to 50 pence. All the way to £5. Old £1. £10. Last one, get ready. 10 pence. Well done, everyone. Let's see what we're learning about today. Today, we are learning to find change. Let's see what that means. The first thing we need to know when finding change is that £1 is made up of 100 pennies, 100 pence. So we know that inside our bigger coins, there are lots of smaller coins. But now we know that inside £1 there are 100 of these pennies, 100 pennies. And that is something that will really help us when we look at finding change. So try and keep that fact in your head today. £1 is worth 100 pennies. Here is some money. This is all the money that I have in my piggy bank. And I'm going to the shops and I want to buy something that costs 32p. Let's see how I could do that. 32p. So this is all my money, but I only need 32p. Well, there isn't a 30p coin, but there is a 20p coin. That exists. 20, or I need to get from 20 to 30. I can add 10. 20, 30, 32p. So this 32 is what I'm going to take and pay for my item at the shop. So here's what I've got left. I've got 50, 60, 70, 80. I've got 80p left. So I've left my 32p and now I'm going to go into the next shop. And in the next shop, I see a Rubik's Cube that I would really like to buy. I'd really like to buy this. And it costs 20p. Have I got enough money to buy the Rubik's Cube? Shout yes or no. I have? Excellent. I'm going to give the shopkeeper these 2 coins. I think that will be enough. I've got 20 and a 10. I think that will be enough. So I'm keeping that. I'm giving this to the shopkeeper to buy my Rubik's Cube. But the shopkeeper says, "Oh, Miss Wilson, you don't need to give me that much money. I only need 20p. I'm going to give you this 10p back. This is my change. He only needed 20p. The money he gives me back is my change." So that's what I mean when I say find the change. It's how much money the shopkeeper gives me back. I gave him 30p, but he didn't need 10 of that. So he took that away and he ended up with 20p. So we're using our taking away skills. So now what have I got left? 50, 60. I've got 60p left. And I go into the next shop and I see this lovely looking hand cream that I'd really like to buy, and it's on sale. Can you believe it only costs 5p? I'm really excited. So I go to give some money to the shopkeeper. Do I have enough money? I need 5p. Yes, I've got enough money. Oh, but I can't see a 5p coin. What am I going to do? I'm going to have to give some money to the shopkeeper and hope that he'll give me some change. So what you do is you find the coin that is closest to 5p. Which is closer to 5, 10 or 50? Well done. 10 is closer to 5. Imagine there was a number line. 10 is closer to 5 than 50. So I give that to the shopkeeper. And I don't need this anymore. That's mine over here in my purse. I've given 10p to the shopkeeper, but he only wanted 5p. So I gave him 10p, but he only wanted 5p. So what does he need to give me back? 10 take away 5. You can do this on your fingers. You might have spotted a number bond. 10 take away 5 is 5. So he needs to give me my change, my 5p change. So he needs to turn my 10p into 2 5s because 5 and 5 is 10. So he's swapping my 10 for 2 5s. So I've still got 10. He hasn't taken any money off me yet. But now he can take the 5p that he needs for the hand cream and give me 5p back into my purse. I gave him 10. He only wanted 5. I've got 5 left. So I say thank you. I take my cream that I'm really excited about and I head off to the next shop. Okay. So I get to the next shop and I see some really cool sunglasses. And they cost 41p. 41p. Let's look at the number 41. 41p. Have I got enough? I've got 55p. Oh, that's more than 41, so I've got enough. Excellent. Which number is closest to 41? 50 or 5? Well, as it's a 2-digit number and it's got 4 lot of 10s, I think it must be closest to 50p. So I don't need to worry about this. That can go back in my purse. And I'm going to give the shopkeeper my 50p. So the first number I write, that's the number that I've given to the shopkeeper. But he only wanted 41p. He's only going to take away 41p from me. So he's going to have to give me some change, isn't he? Can you see? I've given him 50p, but he only wants to take away 41p from me. How is he going to give me some change? He needs 41p. The first thing that the shopkeeper is going to do is break my 50p up into smaller coins. Can you think of a smaller coin than 50 that we could count up to 50 in? I'm going to use 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So he swapped my 50 for 5 10s. I've still got 50. He hasn't taken anything away. So now he can try to take away 41. Let's start with the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. He's taken away the 10s. He's done the 10s. I'm going to put a little tick there so I remember that I've taken away the 10s. I've got 10p left, but he still needs 1p from me. So I need to have 10p and take 1 away. I'm going to have to turn my 10p into smaller coins, aren't I? I'm going to turn my 10p into 1p's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So I've still got 10p, but now it's shown as 1s. So he can easily take the 1p he needs. He's taken the 1p he needs, and he can give this back to me. Let's see what he's going to give back to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Oh, 9 what? 9p. Well done. So he gives that back to me and it goes into my purse. 9p. We started with 50p, that's what I gave him, but he only needed to take away 41p, so he gave me 9p back. Some of you might have seen 50p take away 41p and known from your number bond straight away that it's 9p. But we still have to swap the coins around because he can't give me 9p back without turning this into different coins. And we are so good now at not only taking away, but also in recognising and knowing how many coins go into other coins. So this should be super, super easy for you. Let's have one more go at going to the shop. So I'm back at the shop. It's the next day and I've had some pocket money today. I have £1. Ooh. How many pence are in £1? Well done, 100 pence. And today I really would like to buy some new sellotape so that I can make some arts and crafts at home. And the shopkeeper tells me that I can, but that will cost me 99p. That's going to cost 99p. Have I got enough money? I have got enough money, you're right, because I've got £1, which is worth 100p, which is more than 99p. So, I'm going to give the shopkeeper £1, which is the same as 100p. But he only wants 99p from me. He only wants 99p. What's he going to give me back? Can you work it out? Given him 100p, but he only wants 99p. One way you could work this out is by counting on. Let's see how much it takes me to get from 99 to 100. 99. 100! It only takes me 1. He's going to give me 1p back. He's going to turn my £1 into 100 pennies and give me 1 back. So I can buy my sellotape and I go home with 1p change. So, finding the change is all about working out our takeaway number sentence. First one is what we pay. We take away how much the item costs, and that equals our change. There are some questions for you to have a go at on Google Classrooms.